Not all vitamin C serum give glowing skin. Some work, some don't, and some even break you out. So, what actually makes a vitamin C serum effective? Let's break it down. Vitamin C is a powerful ingredient, but only when formulated correctly. Here are the key factors that decide whether a vitamin C serum will deliver results or not. The most effective form of vitamin C is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. It helps to glow skin and support collagen. That's why the Deconstruct vitamin C serum uses 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid instead of weaker derivatives. An effective vitamin C serum should also be clinically tested, not just trendy. Clinical testing ensures the formula actually improves glow and is safe for regular use. Vitamin C is unstable and oxidizes easily. Ferulic acid helps stabilize it and boost antioxidant protection so the serum stays effective for longer and delivers visible glowing skin. If you have oily skin, texture matters because heavy serums can clog pores. The Deconstruct vitamin C plus ferulic acid serum is lightweight and non-greasy, making it suitable for oily skin. So an effective vitamin C serum is the one that's clinically tested, uses 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, is stabilized with ferulic acid, supports glowing skin and works well for oily skin. Check out the Deconstruct vitamin C plus ferulic acid serum. Link is in the description.